hands behind your fucking back!
Stop!
Yo!
Yo, stop! Stop!
On September 15th, 2025, Pennsauken Township Police in New Jersey answered a fight call at a Wawa. A customer and an employee had come to blows. Officers moved to arrest the woman. She fought them. That one choice reshaped her entire legal exposure.
Excuse me, sir. Everybody needs to go outside.
Yo, back up, yo, let's go. Back up. Go.
Bro, get off of me. Get off of me.
Go ahead.
Get off of me.
I'll get.
Put your hands behind your fucking back!
Get off of me. Yo, dog, look at girl. I'm done, bro. I would've put you right in that shit, bro. Bro, I need to fix my clothes. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me! I don't like people touching me!
I'm bringing the car around.
Stop touching me!
Can you leave the door open, please? Can you leave the door
Stop
open?
pulling me like that! My fucking hand, nigga! Stop!
Yo!
That shit hurts! Stop!
Let's go.
Stop!
Let's go.
Bro,
Let's go.
Stop! Yo, bro, stop! That shit hurts!
Get up!
Stop! Yo, get the f*** off of me! Stop! Ow, bro!
Let's go. Ready?
Yo, stop! Stop! Please!
Get up!
Stop! Mommy!
Get up.
Stop, please!
Get up then.
Stop! Let me go!
Are you gonna get up?
Let me go! How the f*** I'ma get up, bro?
All right, let's go.
Stop! I hate when people touch me!
Okay, then sit up. Let's go.
Let me go!
Sit up then.
Let me go!
Sit up then.
Let me go, yo!
Listen.
Y'all weird!
Listen.
Y'all weird!
Sit up.
Now don't talk to me now!
Sit up.
I'm f***ing here!
Sit up. Let's go.
Yo!
Let's go.
Yo, bro, that's weird! Ah! Stop! Please
I have
stop!
to pick her up.
Bro, that hurts! Stop!
Got it? 1, 2, 3, go.
Yo! Bro! Nah, bro, that shit weird! That shit weird, bro! Stop, bro! Please stop! Yo, that shit is weird!
Watch your
Let's
head.
go.
No, don't open it. Watch your head.
Yo, that shit is weird!
Can you get up? Because
Are you gonna get up?
Yo, no!
you can breathe.
Please just
Sit
let
down.
me get up!
Okay, then get
Let
up.
me get up!
but you're not getting
Let me get up! Let me get up! Let me get up!
Hold on to your side.
Hold on!
Your other side. There you go. There you go.
Yo!
There you go.
Oh my god! Bro, I'm suing the shit out of everybody, y'all. I swear to God.
Let's go.
I'm suing everybody! Yo, my fucking head!
Let's go.
No! Bro, grab my phone! Grab my phone! No, I need it now. My cigarettes, my phone, my money, everything. Please, bro, please. My phone in there, my
Let's go.
cigarettes, my buddy, bro.
Let's go.
Get my cab keys, bro. Take my cab,
You
bro.
gonna stand up? Let's go.
Yo!
Stand up. Okay.
Take my cab!
Stand up.
Shit, wait! Go get it, please, go get it!
Stand up.
Please! You can have it, bro. Take my shit.
You're telling me to have
Take my shit.
Walk back.
No, in the
Walk back.
store, my phone, my cigarettes in there.
Sit down.
Oh my god.
Sit down. Put your feet in, please.
No, I can't. Wait, I'm trying. Stop touching me. I hate when people touch me.
You gotta understand, you're under arrest.
Take it off.
You're
I
not-
can't.
you're not-
My arm here.
You're under arrest, man.
No, bro. No, I'm telling you to take this off my arm, yo.
Come on.
Bro, look, what the f? Yo.
Come on.
Hold on, wait. Bro, you gotta take this shit off.
Listen, look. There you go.
Oh my god. No, this shit is not cool. Go get my phone. Let me see you get my phone. Get my phone.
Your phone is in the car.
Let me see. Let me see.
He's gonna show you right there.
Let me see.
He's gonna show you right there.
Let me see.
Your phone and your keys.
Let me see my key.
Your keys are in here.
Let me see.
Get in the car already.
me see
I
what
showed you all your
I
stuff. I'm not showing you again. I'll show you your stuff.
Where's my phone? My keys are lying. Where's my phone? My speaker camera's not even on either. No, it's not. Where's my keys? Where's my keys? Break my leg. Go ahead, break my leg. Where's my keys?
Yo.
Where's my keys? Yo, stop! No! Bro, stop! You're choking me!
I'm not
You was, Go get my key.
Keys are
Go
inside.
get my key. Stop. You stop her. Stop her. Stop.
Leg in the car.
Stop. Stop.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Stop.
Did she drop anything else in here? Let me get it. Alright, cool. Nothing else? What's up, bro?
Give me my stuff.
You good. Just back up.
Please. Yo, give me my stuff, please. Give me my stuff.
Your stuff is in the front.
Give me my stuff. No, it's not. He just got my shoes.
Yeah, I got you.
No. Stop. Let go of my arm. You hurting my
Let's go.
wrist is bleeding, bro. Stop. Stop. Give me my shit. Ah! Ah, stop the shit.
Put your leg inside then.
It's whatever.
Put your leg inside.
The cops are hurt. Let me
Put
go.
them inside. Put your leg inside.
Show me my stuff.
I already showed you your stuff.
You didn't. You just showed me my shoes. I need my keys.
Stop.
My phone.
You are already under arrest.
Yo,
Stop.
that doesn't mean you keep my
Stop.
shit.
Your shit is in the front.
Let me see. That's it.
I showed you already.
You just show me my shoes. It takes 2 seconds. Show me.
Did you not see your phone and keys already?
Let me see.
I'm not
Let
showing
me
you
see.
again.
Can
Put your
you
foot
please show
inside.
me my phone?
It's in there.
Please, I promise you on my son. I told him to on my son I was gonna
Put
leave.
your foot inside.
Yo,
That's it. Let's go. Put your foot inside. Let's go.
where's my key? Where's my cigarettes?
Your cigarettes? Your phone.
And where's my key? Let me see. Let me see the key. That's not my car. That's my boss stuff. Please.
Can you please go?
See, you don't have my key.
What's your stuff?
You
Let's
don't
go.
have my key. Check if it's in my pocket.
What does your key look like?
It's a small key. It's gray. You're gonna see the gray
Is it in
tag.
your pocket? I'm gonna check.
Check, please, just check. See if it's my pants pocket. I need that key, bro.
Where's your other pocket?
It's in the store. Please get my key. Please get my key. Please. Oh my God.
You know you making this more.
No,
difficult
I'm
than
not.
what it has to be.
How? I work all day, every day for my money for the white people to be talking to me crazy. No.
Need
That
to
shit is
understand.
weird.
Mama, listen.
No.
You need to understand
No.
that you are under arrest.
What the f?
Okay?
That shit weird as hell. That's all
Stop
I can do
making
is
this.
work.
Stop making this more difficult than what it has to be. Put your foot inside.
Yo, that shit is weird, bro. That shit is weird.
Put your foot inside.
That's all she had to do was give me back my money. My key not in there.
Put your foot inside.
Wait, check.
Put your foot in the vehicle.
See?
I'm about to go inside and check. But you're I checked in there. They can't find your keys.
Yo,
It's
see,
not in
that's
there.
what I mean. That's the fucking bullshit, bro.
Can you put your foot inside?
Look,
Look,
check in my pocket.
I already checked.
Check, please. Come
You
on.
see the other one?
Y'all, they're gonna do some bullshit. Is it in?
Alright, cool.
Can you take it? Can you take this? No, stop.
Can I
Shoulder, my head,
take? Okay, what hurts? Tell me what hurts.
my shoulder, and my wrist.
Your shoulder and your wrist.
Please take them.
Listen, once EMS comes, I'm gonna explain to you what's gonna happen. Once EMS comes, if you decide that you want to go to the hospital, we are going to assist you going to the hospital because you are still placed under arrest. Now, the cuffs will not come.
They're not coming off.
They're not coming off.
Put him somewhere else. Or like make him lose it.
What I can do is put another pair of cuffs, but that's not up to me. Okay? Listen, I can put another set and loosen them. That's all I can do. But you're gonna stay in handcuffs.
Okay, I'm telling you, it just hurts.
Okay, that's fine.
That's all I'm telling you.
Okay, so would that be sufficient? They're gonna put another pair of cuffs on so it kind of spaces it out a little bit, so your shoulders aren't back like that.
It's not just my wrist and my shoulder.
Okay, well, like I say, nothing gonna be able to do about your wrist. It's a temporary restraining device. It's not gonna be comfortable. And if you're under arrest, that's how that works. They're not gonna take the cuffs off. Do you understand that?
I understand what you're telling me. I speak.
What's up, bro?
I'm saying, like, this guy right here, you're not acknowledging what I'm saying.
He's walking right here with his shirt.
Huh?
He keeps coming back. He's not supposed to be here. He's trespassing.
That guy?
Yeah, he will not leave.
Fucking guy. Alright, give me a second, bro, cause...
He will not leave.
Yo, let's go! Okay, bro, let's go. They don't want you here, so they don't have to give you services if they don't want to. I got you. Once I'm done over there, I got you, but leave for now. Once you see me done over there, come get me. But leave.
Or do you want to go to the hospital and have them x-ray your shoulder and all that?
Well, I can tell you, I'm pretty sure your shoulder's not broke. Would you let the officer space those handcuffs out? See if that is any relief for you? Okay, hang on.
I'm gonna take off this left hand. Hold on. Relax.
What shoulder is it?
What shoulder is it?
Is this what?
Your right hand?
Yeah.
All right, so he's taking the left one
I'm
out.
taking the left one out. All right.
My wrist hurts.
Man, you gotta relax.
Relax, relax. I'm trying to take it off. Can you put the light on the cuff?
Yo.
All right.
Relax. So she good? In the hospital?
That's sufficient for right now? So do you want to go to the hospital or not?
Listen, he's gonna check you, make sure you ain't got no weapons. The only thing that's gonna stay on your persons is your cash, okay?
Everything in your pocket. You guys took all of my stuff.
What'd you say?
You guys took all of my stuff.
You got your keys, you got your phone, you got everything on you. What's he said, to take her somewhere specific?
No, don't push my heart. I got it, don't push my heart.
I took her personal stuff, but make sure nothing else is missed. I left. My bad. Make sure I didn't leave nothing else in her ear.
Start with the stop. A reported assault hands officers probable cause under the Fourth Amendment to detain anyone plausibly involved. Lawful from the first second. New Jersey Statute 2C12-1 calls it simple assault to attempt or recklessly cause bodily injury. A reported fistfight clears that bar. Most people get the next part wrong. Resisting arrest is its own crime under Statute 2C29-2, separate from whatever started the encounter. Pull away to dodge an arrest, and that's a disorderly person's offense. 6 months maximum, survivable. Add force and everything shifts. Use or threaten physical force against the officer, and the charge climbs to a crime of the third degree. Third degree carries 3 to 5 years in prison and fines up to $15,000. She crossed that line the instant officers had to fight her. Here's the rule people refuse to accept. An unlawful arrest is not a defense to resisting, so long as the officer acts under color of authority and announces the arrest. Even a bad arrest gives you no right to resist on the street. You comply, then you win in court. That split decides cases. New Jersey's Supreme Court carved the narrow exception in State v. Reese. Resistance is justified only against genuinely excessive force. Nothing here comes close. Officers announce the arrest aloud more than once. That meets the notice requirement and closes off any lawful resistance argument before it starts. Force runs through Graham v. Connor, 1989. Reasonableness is judged from the officer's view in the moment, not from a quiet desk afterward. Graham asks 3 things: severity of the crime, immediate threat, active resistance, a reported assault, an unpredictable public scene, and a suspect who would not stop pulling away. Every factor points the same way. The hands-on control was reasonable. The law never demanded the gentlest possible technique, only a reasonable one. Watch what they skipped. No taser, no pepper spray, no baton. The continuum allowed all 3 against this level of resistance. They held at empty hand control the whole time, guiding her, then taking her down. That restraint is the clearest sign of discipline in the footage. Custody plus injury flips on a new duty. The 14th Amendment's Due Process Clause requires officers to secure medical care for anyone injured in their hands. City of Revere versus Massachusetts General Hospital, 1983, set the standard. Ignoring a serious medical need is deliberate indifference. Meeting it just means care actually happens. This officer cleared that bar easily. He walked her through the ambulance process offered the hospital and reworked the cuffs to spare her shoulder while keeping her in custody. She claimed he was choking her. He denied it on camera in the moment. That recording is why body cameras shield officers as often as citizens. The officers earn a B+. Proportional force never passed their hands, finished by a textbook medical response and plain, honest talk. 2 deductions: profanity in the struggle and several voices shouting commands at once, muddying an already messy scene. Small, trainable flaws. The subject earns a D+. Her resistance turned a likely misdemeanor into felony-grade charges, trading a 6-month ceiling for years of possible prison. She dodges a failing grade for one reason. When a single officer spoke to her calmly, she listened and cooperated through the rest. The lesson is blunt. Resisting in New Jersey is a crime, no matter how wrong the arrest feels. Resistance never clears the situation. It stacks charges. Fight the arrest in a courtroom, not on the pavement. Calm words ended this faster than any struggle could. The best force is the force never used. Tell us in the comments which interaction or legal topic to break down next. Thanks for watching, and check out our channel for more police and courtroom analysis.